Okay. Here we are again. Willard Bay inlet. Fishing for wiper. Oh, almost to the other side. Yeah, a lot of fish over there. I can see them jumping. Lots of fish. Oh. Look at that. First cast. Huh? First cast and I got one already. Ooh. That don't fight like it might be a walleye or something. It don't fight like a wiper. Yeah, this don't fight like wiper. Maybe a catfish. There it is. Okay, let me come over here. Oh, right there. Right there. Right there. No. You're gonna break my net. Look at that. First cast. Yeah, just put it down. First cast and we got a wiper. Wow. Yeah, amazing, huh? Hey, don't put your stuff there.
Hey, raise milk.
Yeah, of course. See, I told you, you should have. There's lots of fish in there.
Tôi kêu liệt quá.
Yeah, okay, wiper. Ah, swallow it.
Mặc ở cái người không có thể chút vào.
Ouch. So I'll put her in the water. Put it in the water.
Oh, có đỉnh cái mà.
Yeah, put it in the water.
Xuống là kia có con ổn mà.
Holy cow. Yeah, that's pretty good. Hey, watch out, huh? She's gonna hook you. Don't get too close. Oh, look at that. Let's see if we can get another one. Second cast. Second cast.
Cô dầu từng mấy khúc cái lệ xếp. Cô dầu từng mấy khúc cái lệ. Đây cũng là. Dầu rốn mà tôi ông trong một cái suối.
Today I'm using a Gope minnow fluorescent with I think 2 or 4 ounce hook, jig weight. Casting it upstream, let it sink all the way to the bottom and then reel it in. With a jigging motion. Try to bounce it off the bottom. A lot of fish in there today. A lot of people. Yeah. Another one. Another one. Another one. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is your fish. You can reel it in here. Yeah, reel it in. Reel it in. Okay, easy. Okay, don't reel it in too fast. Just take it easy. Reel, don't pull. Don't pull it in, reel it in. Okay, come over here. Come over here, come over here. We'll reel it in, don't play with it. Come on, reel it in. Okay, the fish is down here now. Fish is down here now. Why you can't see? Okay, don't let go of my fishing pole, whatever you do. Okay, not too hard, not too hard. When you hear that noise, it means you are reeling too hard. Okay, just take it easy. Reel it in a little bit slow, and that's it. No need to go fast. Keep your fishing pole up. All right. This is Annie Ann. I'm reeling in a big wiper. Okay, it's coming. It should be getting close. Okay, when you hear that noise, don't reel no more. No, don't back up. Don't back up. Use your pole. Use your pole. Okay, go down. Go down. Reel. Okay, and then pull. Okay, reel, and then go down. Okay, pull. Okay, it's just right there. Almost got it. Reel it in. Yeah, just like that. All right. Getting close. Getting close. It's right there. Keep going. Okay, watch the weed. Okay, watch. Oh, there it is. You can see it. You can see it right there. Okay, try to bring it over here, not to the weed. You don't want to get snagged. Okay, well, come over here. Okay, reel it up. Hold your pole up. Hold your pole up. Up, 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 up. Hey, you gotta hold the pole up. You don't hold the pole up, you'll break the line. It's over there now. You gotta come this way. Oh, right there. Oh, oh. Okay, okay. Let's go wrapping around the tree over here. We gotta be broken. Oh, give me that. Okay, fish tired. Oh, look at that. There's so many fish in there, almost every single cast.
Cái chiều xuống rồi đó.
Yeah, another big wipers. Willard Bay wipers.
Big fish! Big fish! That was mine. Huh? A big fish!
Okay.
One. Big
Okay.
fish too.
Bring it over here. Đấy.
Tập trung.
Taste the fish already. Okay, Hannah, you want to catch one? Fish right there. There we go again. Oh, Hannah! Come here. Come on. Fish on, fish on.
Honey, go to the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me, you reel that one in. Let me tie this one up so you can fish. You and Hannah can fish. Okay, don't let him pull my pole in the water.
Is it a big one?
Yeah, it's a big one. Oh, you want a different one?
Thank you. Làn.
I'm gonna use this one.
Oh, this one is a strong one.
Uh-huh.
Quên quá. Quên quá.
Don't let him pull you inside.
Okay.
I'm catching a fish! Really big one.
Hay à.
Hey, watch the trees. Watch the trees.
Miếu này anh để tiết thì lôi đây. Miếu ngốc coi. Miếu à, chỉ ngốc hôn nó sân này. Miếu ngốc coi. Miếu đây, miếu à, yếu cái đây, miếu cha gì cái đây. Anh để tiết thì lôi đây, miếu đây.
Watch the trees.
Anh tiết thì ông mù mũi chân chứ nè. Mà lôi lên.
You got it.
Thank you.
You got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. No, you need to put the jig on. Okay, we'll use the white one.
I found a treasure. I found a treasure.
Vẫn thú phế.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Anh thú phế.
Bố trên, anh đã đi trên, anh đã đi trên, anh đã đi trên, anh đã đi trên.
You swallowed it?
No. Don't want to go back in the water.
Of course, that's where they stay. They don't want to come out here. Okay, hold on to it. Hold on to it. Hold on to it.
Really heavy, Daddy.
Oh, okay, take that. Don't get all tangled up.
Ôi giời.
You want to keep it? Okay.
Cái món tiếng như là món gì món gì mà.
I just did wrong on my surface. Look at this one. Look at this.
Okay, here.
Look at this.
Here, wait. Come back here. Come back here. 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 Come reel this in. Come reel this in. I gotta tie that one. Here.
Đi lưỡi dao rồi đó.
Come on. Quit being so lazy. Let me tie this one up. Just reel it in slow. Just slow. Reel it in. Reel it in like this. Yeah, just reel in like that. And then jerk like that. Reel. Jerk.
Có là lưỡi lon à.
Oh, you got one already. Reel it. You got the bird. You got the bird. You got a bird. You got a bird. You got that bird right there. Reel it in. You got a fish and the bird.
Oh my god.
Well, reel him in. Come here.
Come here.
Come here. We'll let you go.
Come here. We
Oh, you wrapped around his feet. Oh, you got a bird. Okay, reel it in. Reel it in. Come here. Yeah, you got a fish in there too? Come here. Okay, okay. Okay, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Hey, don't bite me. No biting. No biting. Okay, hold on. Let me put his head down. Okay. Ah. You got a bird.
Daddy. I want to eat you.
Oh, there's a fish in there. There's a fish in there too. Okay. Okay, go. Go. You can go. Okay, reel it in. There's a fish in there. You got a fish. Reel it in. There's a fish in there. You got a fish. Yeah, there's a fish in there already. They told you you caught two. You got a bird and a fish at the same time. Oh, why'd you gotta go through the bushes? Okay, hold on. Don't break my line. Don't pull on it. That's why I don't like braided lines. Look at that. Hold the pole up. Look at all these fishing hooks. Some people, all these fishing lines and hooks, some people left in the water. Well, you can't beat that. Caught a bird and a fish at the same time. Okay.
Có chua lắm.
There you catch one, Anna?
Dạ mà. Ồ. Vậy mà, có mình còn đi đây đây đó.
I got two big ones already. Like a shark? Yes.
You catch one more, then you can go sit over there.
What?
I say, come catch one more, then you can go sit over there.
Okay.
Come on, here. Okay, here. Reel it in just like before. I tie this one up. Any luck?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Reel it in, fish, and then reel it in. Yeah, just like that. Yeah.
Daddy, she got one.
She got one? Nice.
Ê, không thôi. Không thôi, đều không có đừng cắt qua những cái đàn đó. Hay là phóng vào ta nó sẽ.
Fish.
Nè, không thôi buồn nữa mà.
Oh, got one again.
You got one?
Nhiều chưa lắm.
So big.
See, you got one.
Có dạ.
Now, don't have to reel it in too fast. Just let her do it. Yeah, let her do it. Yeah.
À dạ, mấy người yêu tài yêu à.
Oh, got a bundle of.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on, we got all kinds of shit on this net. Just play with him. Hold on. Oh, too much garbage here.
Rồi con tiểu trên nó.
Yeah, garbage. People's garbage. Oh, too many hook.
Có dạ.
Hey, just play with that fish until I'm done with this net. Hannah, don't go in the water, Hannah. Your hand's gonna get cold. Whoa, look at this big one.
À? Nhiều như đó. À dạ, nhiều đó.
I found a big shell.
Wow. A lot of hook.
Không lo. Mỗi chân nữa.
Yeah, I'll do it later. Yeah, go get a fish. Oh, no, over here. She don't know how to net. She don't know how to net fish.
Yeah, she don't know. Daddy, look, she carried it.
Well, that's 3 for you. You're done.
Yeah. That's 3 for me. So that's 4, huh?
That's 3 for you. You're done. You can give it to Hannah. She can fish now.
Yeah. Look at that. It's slipping away.
Okay, I'll get it.
Trứng xin tất cả không thích trứng nè.
Hannah, you can go fish.
Hey, don't just throw my pole there. It's gonna get stepped on. It's gonna be broken. No good. Well, you got your 3 fish. Uh-oh. Hey, your fish got away. You're gonna have to come catch it again. He got away. Come on.
That can be so fun. Daddy, I like to pull.
Yep. Just like before.
Is that what I like
Rồi
to
mới
pull?
tại mấy giờ mua hành đã quạt đó kia rồi. Chỉ sụp tay đó.
Here, come here.
Daddy,
Here, I will get it. Hey, get up. Don't sit there lazy.
This dog.
Go slower.
Quạt cái nó hành nó lại đi.
Okay, let me cut that off.
Oh my god, another fish!
You got one? You got one?
Nhiều lắm.
I got a lot in a row.
Ah, too much stuff. Too much garbage.
Trên đây dọc kia. Ai mới
Oh, that's a steel wire.
trên đây.
Ông muốn người mà.
I can't get that one. Let me undo this.
Cái này nó cũng không được.
Yeah, I get it. Well, bring it in. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yeah, but it's so heavy.
Of course it is. It's a big fish. Oh, can't
Maybe
break
the
this.
shark?
No, it's not a shark.
Do sharks live in the ocean?
Like a shark.
Hey, do sharks live in the
Okay, hold on. Yeah, sharks in the oceans.
Is this the ocean?
No,
It's a lake?
yeah, this is a river. Pretty much like a river. Oh, crap.
Oh, so heavy!
Okay, wait. Oh, crap. Okay, bring him in. The net.
Hey, he's in.
Net's no good.
So heavy!
Tạm mà.
No good, no good.
Wait a minute.
Mình gọi nó xin khắc ra đi rồi.
Okay,
Nó
hold on.
hậu chàng rồi. Ai à, tại mới yêu xỉn đỉnh mà. Đi máu hẳn.
Yeah, don't go over there. She's got her fish there. Hey, reel yours in.
Yeah!
Get up. Don't be lazy. Get up.
Wow, we lost the birds! Oh, those birds. I said lost the birds.
Cháu nhiều lôi lắm mà.
Got away?
No, mine no.
Hers got away.
Yeah.
Nước trốn.
I'm still
It's okay. Catch another one.
Tạm tạ à.
Gone already. Catch another one.
Oh!
Đấy đó, tại mới là nhiều lắm mà. À.
Này. Bữa là hay dần.
Okay.
Ai bữa.
Oh, hey, leave it right there. Don't pull on it. You're going to break my pole.
So heavy.
Okay.
It's really heavy.
Okay. Hold on the pole. You don't put my pole down. You're going to break my pole. Okay, hold that. Hold that up. All the way. Oh, more garbage? Ah. Okay, you got yours. Look. Hannah, catch her. Hey, you're gonna hook me. What's the matter with you? Hannah, come here. Hannah, come here. Oh, don't you want to watch a video? It's a video of you catching a fish, okay? All right.
Video?
Yeah, video. We're making videos. We're making videos. You catching a fish, but I don't have no videos because. Okay, just do what you. Here, just do what your sister does. Okay, hold here. Okay, hold tight, okay? Okay, just reel it in like this, and then
See it.
and then go like that. Reel it in.
I can't see it.
You can't see nothing.
Dirty fish.
Nhiều nhiều đó, hả má?
Hey, you got fish already. Reel it in. Go slow. Hold your pole up. Put it right here between your knee. Okay. Here, hold up higher. Hold higher. Okay. You got to reel it in. Where's Benjamin? Okay. Hold it. Reel it in. Okay. I'm gonna take a picture of you. Take a picture of you catching the big fish. Okay. Hannah's catching the big fish all by herself. Hold your pole up.
Chưa định mà. À, tôi ấu gì à.
Hold your pole up. Hold your pole up. hold your pole up.
It's kind of heavy.
Okay, put this down on your knee. Okay, bend your knee. Okay, put it down on your knee. Okay. Okay, hold on tight, okay? Don't let go. Don't let go. Yeah, fix yours. Hey. Hey, fix that, fix that, fix that.
Hả?
Fix that. Yeah, you gotta fix it. Like that. Like that.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. You can do it, hold it tight.
Không kêu liệt luôn. Rồi kêu ra.
Like this. Put it on your knee. Hold it in your knee. Okay, it's too long, so hold it on your knee. Okay, pull it up like this.
I can't see it.
Pull it up. Oh, you got a snag over there. You didn't get a fish. You got a snag. I can see it. It's not a fish. Okay, let me see that. Not a fish. It's a snag.
Hỏi ba.
Ah,
Cắt kết.
not a fish. It's not a fish. It's a snag. Okay, well, why have you used a smaller pole? You had to use a smaller fishing pole.
Ôi tận số mình bó hàng ở luôn.
Okay, and I'll use this smaller one right here. Come here. Hannah. Here. 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 This one should be easier. It's smaller. Okay, just do the same thing. Just do the same thing. Hold on to this. Reel. Jerk like this. Reel. Jerk. Reel. Jerk. Reel. Jerk.
I can do it on my own now.
Okay, okay. Okay. All right. I got two more. A lot of fish. Reel it in. Reel it in.
Kêu mà mấy à? Hả? Kêu bằng à? Hả? Bằng giá.
Okay, you bring it in already. Stop, 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 stop. Stop reeling. Let's cast it back in there. Yeah. I'm casting it in for you. Ready? Okay. There you go. Yep. Reel it in. Don't have to be very fast. That's good right there, just like that. Reel it in just like that. So Hannah, catch your fish. Well, don't do that. Reel it in. Reel it in. You don't reel it in, the fish don't see it. The fish not gonna bite. Reel. Reel. There's a lot of fish down there. You see it? Look at that. Fish jumping all over the place.
Faster?
Yeah, faster.
Kêu mà. Bố à?
Like that?
Yeah, I got somebody's line. Nope. My bait's gone. Yeah. Okay, let's stop, 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 stop. You don't got to reel all the way in. You got to leave it a little bit. Okay. Here. No mosquitoes biting you again.
No.
Here. Reel it in.
They're really
Reel it in.
so fast.
No, not really fast. Just slow. Fast and slow and fast and slow. You got a fish? We'll reel it in. Fast and slow and fast and slow.
What? Like this?
Yeah, and then slow, and then fast, and then slow.
Oh, it's so itchy.
Look at a mosquito biting you.
No.
We'll reel it in. You're not reeling it in. Okay, I gotta catch him. Reel it in.
Daddy, I can't do it because my leg.
Well, you gotta catch your 3 fish. You haven't caught one yet.
I want to use the fast head.
Okay, I catch one. Let me. Maybe we ought to switch fishing pole. Uh-oh. Okay, here. Here, give me that one. You can reel that. Oh, he got away. Got away. Here! Hey! Reel it in then.
I think like
Okay, you don't fish no more, reel it in. I can fish it for myself. Reel it in.
fast.
Yeah, fast.
Is it faster?
Yeah, faster. Okay,
So jerky.
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 Jerky. Daddy, what?
Way over there.
Hot.
Here. Okay, here, switch pole. You use that one. Just do what I tell you.
Ugh.
Okay, reels, fast, slow, okay?
And this one's kind of hard finding.
Yeah. Fast, slow, fast, slow.
I got something.
You got fish? You got fish?
Ồ, bây giờ lên anh mới xin anh đi mới.
Oh, I got one too. We got the same fish. Oh, we got the fish at the same time.
Wow, anh mới giờ mới đi đặt kêu Âu lên xin hả?
Two fish at the same time.
À, dùng ghê.
Okay, you're gonna have to bring that one in.
Em tí cao nè. Em tí
Cái chiếc kia lại nè nè.
Okay, hold on. We'll tangle. We'll tangle up. Okay, hold on, one tangle up.
Bởi ý tại mới
Okay.
Daddy, I need help.
Well, you don't need help. You can do it by yourself. You're a big girl now. You can reel that fish in yourself.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just a little. We're just right here.
Yeah.
Tiny.
có cái lịch câu à.
Phải không? Lịch cao à.
Yeah, but I can't do it on my own.
You can do it.
À có chiếu đeo con bỏ quên cái việc cũng như lời đó. Cái này xả là.
They got the fish off this thing.
Yep. Hold your pole up. Oh, your fish is way down there now. It's way down there now.
Oh my god.
Here, switch off. Here, take this one. This one's easier. Here, take that one.
Chứ không lo hả mà,冇lo.
Take. Hold on. Come over here. Come right here. Hey, I gotta go release your fish. Your fish is way down there, Hannah. Right here.
Have to. Don't
Hold that. It's way down here now. Over or under? Under? Okay. Go ahead. Around me. You got one? Good. up. Oh. Tangled up right there.
Rồi chìm ra luôn.
Hold on. Don't, no, not yet. Not yet. Okay, well, you got him already. Okay, bring it in. Bring it in.
Chết răng này mà.
Yeah, bring it in. Okay. Okay, put it down. Let me undo this so I can get him hooked out. Okay. Oh boy. Let's try that. Got better luck.
I got stuck.
Just pull on it. You got a braided line? Yeah, tie that one on. That would work way better. It's working really good so far.
No, we have 7.
Well, she only got 1, and I only got 1. You got 3, right?
Yeah. No, you got 3.
Why she bring it over here? Oh. Okay. Okay, I think she's got enough, right? How many she got? Okay, she shouldn't be catching them anymore. She got hurt already. Yeah. You have 3 already? Okay. Yeah, and then you're done. Yeah, you don't need catching no more. You don't want to get in trouble. Huh? I know, but you only catch 3. You only catch 3. A lot of people that are watching you. I know, but you can only catch 3. One person catch 3. No, not yet. She still need to catch. Hannah, what do you got? One more? Yeah. Then Hannah need to catch 2. Yeah, hook it up on there. And you already got 1. You caught 3 already for you. So Hannah need to catch 2, Hannah. You got 1 already. Oh, you probably just catch 1 more. Let me cast this.
Them 2 got.
Yeah.
Them 2 got 1 at the same time.
Yeah.
And then me and you got 1 at the same time too.
Yep. Okay, here. So you got 2 so far. Reel it in. So you only need 1. And me, I gotta catch 2. No, I gotta catch 1. I only got 2. So I only got 1. I only got 1 fish left.
Can I catch 2 already?
Yeah.
You're not that fast. Slow.
Hannah, slow down, Hannah. Hannah, slow down. Slow down. Hey, you're going too fast. Look at reel it in now. It's right there. Reel it in. Real fast. Yeah. Okay, good. Stop. We're going to cast it back in there. Ah, mosquitoes biting me. Okay, here. Here. Go fast, slow, just like I was telling you earlier. Let me tie another one on so I can catch my last fish.
Daddy, is that right?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we got 9. 2 more? We had 9. 1, 2, 3, 9, 11, 12. You got 3 already? Okay, then you don't need to fish no more. You got yours already. You can fish. You can catch walleye.
Okay, thank you.
You can fish, but you can't catch. You can't keep no more. Hannah, did you reel all the way in already?
Thỏ con
Let me
phao.
catch this in for you. Hey, give me that, give me that. Hey, come here. Don't go over there. Hey, come here. Oh, a lot of mosquitoes coming.
Daddy,
Hmm?
that thing is still.
Well, that's a big fish over there. Here,
Nhiều rồi.
here, let me tie my.
Tại mấy đi一定要啊，要撐夾跟住先翻嚟，知道冇？係啊，我係啊，翻咗本嘅。佢哋啊，大媽隻跟住係攞住啊，嗰個龍啊。
Ugh.
食多啲飯咯，咁咯。
Did you catch one? Okay, reel it in.
Ngồi hôi gì mà, ngồi hôi gì cao mà.
Good. No, she can do it herself. She can do it herself. Let her do it herself. She can do it.
Ok. Ôi dạ, thầy sải con.
Kể能揾啊？
Cô ăn thịt cá.
Oh, look, you got one.
Tới bà chợ. Không phải nhiều tiền.
Oh, you got him. You got him.
Hôi dạ. Wow.
Okay, hold your pole up. Hold your pole up.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. That's it. You got your fish. Yeah, one. Just one. One. I catch one and then we.
Sao mất chịu lén nhiều? À, dạ, ok, lén gì đâu cũng là.
Wow, the girls are happy. They all catch. Everybody catch the limit. Wow. That's good, Hannah. Well, everybody catch fish today. Except me, I'm busy. I'm busy doing all kinds of other stuff. But I'm gonna enjoy this one. Yeah, your mom don't have to come over here. Ooh, ooh, I got one already. Oh, I can feel it, hit it. Oh, oh. Yeah, we got him, we got him. Well, today's really nice day to fish. A lot of fish in there. Wow. It's a big one right here. Ooh. Okay. All right, just put her down here. I just gotta let it go, cause I want to catch more. Oh, there's a big fish.
Ơi.
A big fish right there. Okay. Yeah, we catch more. If you keep it, you can't catch it no more. You keep it, you can't catch it no more. Right? So yeah, so you have to let it go so you can catch more. Yeah, lots of fish. Lots of fish every single cast. Look at that, they're boiling right there. Oh, oh, mosquitoes are biting too. Ooh, I gotta put on the mosquito sprays. Biting me like crazy. Okay, camera's pause. Ow. Oh! Got him. Ooh. There we go again. Hannah, where's your sister? They go already? Hey. Well, I don't want to go. I'm having too much fun. Well, let's go home then. Hey. Okay, I got my fish. Let's go home. Okay. Okay, nah, that's all. Yeah, she wanted to catch one. She said she wanted to catch one. We'll let her catch one. Okay. Okay, watch out. Okay, you remember how? Here. You remember how? Just do what you did before. Okay. Yeah, slow, fast. Slow, fast. Slow, fast. Slow, fast. Yeah, how come it don't bite? Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, hold on. Come over here. Oh, hey, there's a fish right there? Was that a fish? Is that your fish?
I think so.
There's a fish right. Oh, that's that bird. Okay, we'll reel it in anyway. Come over here. Hey! The fish is coming in through the trees. Okay. Go. Okay. Hey. Okay, it's coming in now. It's coming in. Are you gonna finish this? You gonna finish? Okay. Okay. I'll finish it. Yeah, this one's not that big. They're all the same size. This will swallow it. No, not yet. Not yet. Too much fun.
Hey,
Huh? It's okay. Well, she didn't take her fish with her? She expect me to take all those stuff back with me? Aww. You want to catch another one, Hannah? I like my long pole better. I'm gonna switch it back. Let me take this jig off. Put it on the other one. All right, check my drag, make sure I don't lose it again. This one I can cast further. A lot of fish in there. They're jumping all over. Oh, can't get him. Uh-oh. Not catching them anymore. And now I might not get that last fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Where's the other fish? Oh, you put over? One over there? 8. Okay. Okay, so one more. Okay. Oh, I got him. Okay, we're going home. I get a mosquito bite.
Được ba, được ba.
Yeah.
Hả?
Yeah.
Nghe mối?
Uh-huh.
Nghe mối à? Được rồi ba. Này tiếp tỉa của em ba. Ba. Ba.
You're gonna reel it in? No? Okay, well, I land this one, we're going home. I got too many mosquito bite already.
Đừng câu rồi. Đừng câu rồi. Này tiếp tỉa. Câu mà. Câu là câu. Câu là câu.
You want to net him? Okay, get the net. Get the net? Yeah, you can net him.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? No, not yet. I'm catching the last fish now. We're just having fun catching fish. We let it go.
Hiểu là thấy mẹ tao là.
Okay, okay, we're coming out. I got fish on. I can't talk to you. Okay? Okay, bye. Okay, hold on here. Here comes the fish. Here comes the fish. Over there, way over there. You see it? You see it right there? You see it? Okay. Okay, right net him. Now put it in the water. Put it in the water like that. And I will pull it in there. And then you just lift it up. Okay, lift it up. Oh, yeah, that's almost as big as you. Okay, well, let's go. Let's go home. Okay. Yeah. Willard Bay wiper.
Wow, okay luôn.
Yeah, okay.
Rồi nó muốn nó chui cơ.
Yeah, yeah.
Em muốn chui cho.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I know. We're going. Okay, let's go home.
Go home không?
Let's go home. Too many mosquitoes. Yeah, we're going. We're going. Too many mosquitoes here.
We going in another time?
No. Okay. Oh. All right. Look at this chain of fish down there. Just in a what? Maybe we've been here for almost 1 hour. Okay, what do you do now? 1 hour, maybe.
An hour.
Yeah.
Hả? Rồi.
Okay, don't fit. Okay.
We got lots of fish.
Yeah, you're gonna eat them, right?
All of them?
Yeah, you're gonna eat all of them.
God got 2 tails. Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy, go on with 2 tails.
Yeah.
Daddy, go on with 2 tails.
Okay, good enough. Okay, move. I'm gonna put the fish in
Hai
there.
lưỡi ra muốn.
Move, I'm gonna fish in there.
Okay.
Hả?
Get out.
Nó hai lưỡi
I'm
ngủ.
sitting
Get
here.
out. Get out. I'm gonna put the fish in there.
Nó hai lưỡi. Anh này tiếp chạy vô ngủ thôi.
Okay, give me that. Okay.
Nghe tiếng rồi, biết rồi. Trời ơi. Thao, có không bác?
Chào bác.
Có rồi hả? Thấy mình xuống tới chưa?
Chưa.
Ôi là ít rồi đấy.
No, put it in here. Put it in here, okay. Yeah, here, easier. Okay, take that one. Let me fix this one.
Đi xuống rồi, muốn xuống rồi. Đi xuống rồi. Tắt đây không nành.
Hannah, don't go in there. Because wait till we get up there. Wait till we get up there. Oh, I gotta go all the way up there.
Nó, lên xuống mũ này. Mũ xuống lắm. Mũ xuống lắm.
Okay.
Mũ xuống.
Okay, we're gonna go up this way and then go up that way. Okay, come on, Hannah.
Lên, lên.
Ooh.
Ngủ rồi ba, mưa cho uống ngủ ra. Đi vô.
Got to bring the wagon with me.
Hey. Hey.
Hannah, come on. Oh, a lot easy now. Hurry up. Okay, you can sit in there now. Okay, you can sit in there if you want.
Mũ thua đó. Có
Okay,
thua, ở thẳng á. Rồi, thua xuống ấy.
Okay. Okay, sit tight.
Này. Tôi chụp chụp tôi khỏi tâm nha.
Okay.
Ai, ok.
Okay, here we go. Hold tight.
Ai, lên.
Oh.
There are lots of things on your back.
Yeah.
And on your pants on your
It's a Willard Bay inlet. So the canal of water coming through there goes down there and fill up Willard Bay. And then in the summertime, they pump it back out, back onto the irrigation canal for all the people to water. That looks like the water's still pretty high. Lots of fish. Anybody wants to catch some wipers at Willard Bay, now's the time to do it. So we've been here for almost an hour and we call a limit. Even my 5-year-old was catching them. It's a long walk though. Park your car way over there. It's probably like a what? 300 or 400 yard walk.